it's fine, it's fine.
What about Molly?
Yeah, she's still in there. I need more milk now to lift the beam that's fallen back in. I'm gonna get a paramedic in there.
Well, she'll be all right.
Yeah, it's a tricky job, but we'll get there, okay?
We need to get into hospital, come on.
Well, what about Molly?
Me and the girls will wait for her. You could go with him, Kevin.
Bring me if there's anything.
Of course I will!
Deep breaths. And again.
It's just a few cuts and bruises. I only came in because the paramedics wanted me to get checked out.
Yeah, well, pays to be safe, which I think you are.
Okay?
The paramedic will give you some cream and some plasters for the cuts.
So I can go?
Yeah, but take it easy. Right, and Kieran, thanks for all you did out there.
More coffee, Kieran?
No, fine, thank you. You guys all okay?
You ringing Daddy again?
I can't, love, because my battery's dead.
Freddie, Josh, why don't you come with me? I've got something for you.
Just brought them in here to get something to eat. And because we've got nowhere else to go now.
Any word on Ashley?
No longer there isn't. It will be okay, won't it?
Those firefighters know what they're doing. If two clowns like me and Dev can get Sunita out, he's laughing.
Careful!
Watch your head.
Sorry. Another one of my projects is bit there. You're right. You're right. Fine. Listen. You listen.
We're in here!
Hey, we're in here!
We're in here!
Molly. Hey. How's it going?
Okay, how's Jack?
Yeah, he's fine. He's fine. He's gone to hospital with Tyrone, but he's okay. He's fine. Here, you breathe this. Just breathe that normal. Go on. There you go, girl. Now listen, Molly, we want to get a medic in here to have a look at you, but we can't do that until we've cleared a path for him. Okay? It's too dangerous otherwise. And we need to make some room for some lifting gear so we can get this off you, so it's going to be a little bit longer yet, alright?
But it's really hurting. I'm not sure how much longer I can take this pain. There's all this blood.
The thing is, Molly, if we lift this off you now before the doctor's here, it could make it worse. You just breathe easy, girl, I'll be straight back. Okay, I'll be right back, love.
Well, are you going to call her or shall I?
What's the point? There's no what she can do. She probably won't even care.
Yeah, well, to cover ourselves.
We need to be out there looking for him.
Yeah, well, as well as that...
The thought of him under that rubble... I'm going to be sick.
What the hell's been going on here? Have they got her? No. How's Jason? Yeah, he's gonna be fine.
That's the tram driver. Paramedic! He went through all that and lived.
We're getting the lifting gear in place. He's stuck under the beam. We can't shift it.
Okay.
Hey, is this Molly?
Yeah.
She's gonna be all right, isn't she?
Yeah, she's hanging on in there. We're doing everything we can for her, love, all right?
Come on, Ashley, mate. Come on.
Where is me? I'm just on the way to take us out. I'm gonna be free soon. I just wanted to tell you that I love you. And I can't wait to see you and the boys again. And I can't wait to move to France either. That's it, really. I love you lots. I always will.
Lads, listen! Can you crawl over here now?
I've got a casualty here.
He's in trouble, don't move! Get over here now! Come on, now! All right, I'm gonna try! It's gonna go! Quick, look out!
Get him out of here!
Grab him! Give me his hand! Give me his hand!
Everyone needs to get back! Let's go! Girl, come on!
I'm not going without you!
And tomorrow night, it's the big one, the 50th birthday hour-long live episode of Coronation Street. Life on the cobbles has changed forever, but just how much more can the residents take? Do not miss it live at 8, that's tomorrow night. Football next, Arsenal host Partizan Belgrade live.
Harvey's the furniture store.